Hiya, how's everyone doing? Hope well. I'm good, thank you very much, and glad to be back. It's always a pleasure to make a video for you. I've been away for a week because a member of our family passed away, so it's been a very sad time. It's always sad when you lose a loved one, but we just have to try our best to keep going and keep strong. Okay, I've come on to do a haul today, and it's from Aldi, Poundland and B&M. Yeah, so I'll start with the couple of things that I got from Aldi, which I got online. I've never shopped online with Aldi. I've always gone into the shops to get groceries. So I got this trimmer and I really like it. Nice and pink as well. And it's for 12 by 12 sheets, and it's really light. I can just pull it out when I need it, because the other 12 by 12 trimmer is pretty big and heavy, so this one is wonderful. So I'm really happy with that, really happy that I got that, and I'll be using this very often. It also has a scoring blade and also the cutter, so that was really good. I was happy with that, and it came really quick. They came really quick. I also got these as well. Came in a pack of 4, and they came in the pack like that, top and tail, so that's how they came, with the wrappers on. I really liked the colours. That's how it came. So colours are lovely. I think I'm going to put this on my my work surface, I think, and also on my little sewing machine table, because I cut my table down in half for the sewing machine and the overlocker. So the back of it is a bit tatty, so I think I'll do that. So I was really pleased to get these, and these are handy. I'll definitely be able to do something with these. I popped out yesterday to get some stamps and to post some pen pal letters, and the corner shop where the post office is, they've got a little craft section, so I picked these up. Any 2 packs for £1, so I've got 4 of those. The other ones across the other side on my desk, so I'm really happy with those. They're really pretty, got all button stickers, love hearts, bows, really nice, so I liked those. Got those. Well, if I didn't like them I wouldn't buy them, hey, so keep on saying, oh, I like that. So I've got these from Poundland. Love the pink and purple, beautiful. I've got the doilies in this, and I believe I've got a paper pack as well, 6 by 6 paper pack. So those are really pretty. And I got these little resin flowers. Aren't they pretty? Lovely. I also picked this clear stamp up, and it says "Let's Party" and "Just for You," and that's from the Let's Celebrate collection. I've got some washi tape as well for that. And what else? I think I've got some bows as well. Yeah, I've got some bows somewhere. Yeah, got some bows here. So that's pretty good. I'll get crafting with those. Here's the bows, the peachy orange and yellow ones as well. They're really pretty. Love those. And this is the Papillon collection as well. I've got the purple and the lilac bows in that collection. I also picked up these 3D craft stickers. Oh, they're just gorgeous. That's what I picked up. So I'll be busy getting on with some crafting with those. I also picked up this notebook, lined. I did have one, but I gave one to my daughter, so I've replaced it because I like collecting notepads. I love notepads. I also picked this academic year planner for 2018 and 19, and it says believe in yourself with the pineapple. So I'll be using that. I won't start with this year. I'll start 2019 January. So I really love that. And what else did I get? Okay, so these ones are from B&M now. I picked up this 555 sticker fun shopping trip book, and I really do like that. It's got all different types of stickers in there. Lots of stickers. So I really like that. And that's from B&M. You can even cut the pictures out and use them as well. I'll definitely be cutting those out and using them perhaps in my planners. So I like girly, pretty things in my planner to make me smile. And then I picked up some A4 glitter card sheets. There's 12 in a pack. That was $1.99. It's got some lovely colours in there. Let's have a quick look. So we've got quite a few colours in there. I always like to have glitter paper. So we've got the blue, the green, the gold, the silver, and the pinky purple. And I also got these as well. I then picked up these washi tapes. I did have one previously, but I gave it to my daughter because she loves unicorns and fairies and stuff like that, so I did give that to her. So I replaced it. Yeah, and that was $1.99. But to my surprise, when I got into B&M, I happened to see these 12 by 12 paper pads. They're beautiful. This is the Vintage Urban Mix and Match paper. Really beautiful. Look at that. And they're all double-sided. You just can't go wrong at all. Beautiful. That's lovely, that is. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely lovely. Look, the cupboard saucer and teapots, the tea caddy. Beautiful. Love it. Love those. So that's the Vintage Urban collection. And then I've got the chic vintage mix and match as well. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Love it. And they're so thick. Look at this one. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, lovely. Really great patterns. Wow, look at that. That's really vintage. Oh wow, beautiful. Yep. So I've got that. And these were $2.99 each. You just can't go wrong. Now this one I really love. Really love this one. This one's the Beyond Basic mix and match papers, and look at that. They're beautiful. This pink one's lovely. Beautiful. Just can't go wrong. Love this. It's like brickwork. Oh. Lovely. I just love them. Yep. So I got 2 of those because I really liked those patterns. And this one, Fabulous Roses. Oh, look at this. This would be really nice to fussy cut. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. That's lovely. Oh, this is lovely. And look at this one on the white background. It's lovely. Yep, so that's that one. And I've got this one as well, the Floral Happiness. Love them all. I'm going to have a party with crafting. And then I've got this. And that's Love in Bloom. This one's really nice. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And they're one-sided, these ones are, on craft paper. Really good quality paper. Beautiful. Oh, I love hearts. This one is lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Pink foiled. Love hearts. Oh. And look at that. You and me. Isn't that beautiful? Can't go wrong. All you need is love. Yep, so that was worth the going. This one is $3.99 and the rest of them are $2.99. And also I did pick up these from Poundland. I picked this up from Poundland as well. I got two. It's to put my embellishments in and my die cuts. Once I've die cutted them, you know, the little bits and bobs to put in there, and it's really good. I am going to make it's double-sided as well, and once you've put your little bits and pieces in and you've locked it, you turn it over, they don't spill out or anything. It's brilliant. They're just sealed. So I picked that up from Poundland. I've got two and I'm using one at the moment. I do have some die cuts in there that I've been working on, some die cutting, because I got some dies from AliExpress and I'm waiting for a few more, so I want to do it once I've got all of them in hand. I also picked up these from Poundland as well, and they were £1 for 4. They are magnificent, magnificent. So I've been storing all my foam sticker letters in there. All my foam sticker letters are all in there. And I've also decided to store my letter dies as well in here, which is perfect, absolutely perfect to store my letter dies. So I'm really, really pleased. I really want to get some more of these. They're perfect, they really are, for storing all your little bits and bobs. So that's it for now. That's my haul, and it's my August haul as well. I'm on a no spend for the next 2 months. I'm trying my best because I'm on a really tight budget, very low indeed, and I've got plenty of supplies to keep me going. So it's time to start making now and creating. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and thank you so much to my subscribers as well, because I'm on 106 subscribers, and I will be making a video with a giveaway as well, just to say thank you for my 100+ subscribers. So thank you so much again, and please subscribe and also hit the bell so when I upload my videos you will be notified. So take care until I see you again.